The Community Education Channel presents Community View, a closer look inside community issues that matter. It's a glimpse, a preview, bringing public perception to light on local community issues that make a difference. Hello and welcome to Community View. I'm Melissa Anderson. You know, we don't often talk with someone we have to say goodbye to, but this show will be doing just that. With me today is Pam Palermo, a very dear friend of mine and a woman who has done an awful lot for our community here in St. George. Welcome, Pam. Question is, you've decided to step down from your position as president of the Chamber of Commerce here. Plus, you do a lot for the community. Tell us what your plans are.
This has been the best community I've ever lived in. 14 different states over my lifetime. Now I'm going to be in 15 different states. I just keep, racking them up. But this community has been one of the most incredible communities I've ever lived in. The culture, the people, everything, even the heat, I can stand the heat, will be the hardest place that I've ever had to leave. I've worked with our American Legion. So we have American Legion Post 90. I'm a military veteran. And I'm their financial officer, and it's just a really great group of people, and they'll be really hard. They'll be hard to fill my spot right now, so if anybody's out there that is willing to be a financial officer for the Legion or one of our officers for American Legion Post 90, please sign up. I love the Legion. I love the military veterans. CEO and president of the Chamber of Commerce has been the best job I think I've ever had. I think I say that every job I'm ever in. I love to work. I love to build. And I feel like when I got to the Chamber, I just got this whiteboard and hundreds of different colors markers, and I can just write on it whatever I wanted to. And so it's been just 5 years of a lot of fun. We have started a couple of different organizations under the Chamber.
Women's Influence
Center, yeah. So love the Women's Influence Center. Shirlane Quayle and myself, co-founders. We came together. It's a 501c3 foundation under the Chamber, helping women in transition. And women, as you know, are always in transition. We're always moving. We're always doing different things. And it's been just a lot of fun, really good
and
stuff.
And you've even held positions up north and statewide. Tell us why you've decided to move forward. Is that something from your military? You decide to go after a certain amount of time?
Yeah, it's really funny. I promised my husband that this would be our last move. We moved here and I thought, I'm going to stay here forever. Again, very hard pressed to leave because I love this community. But for some reason, I didn't even realize it had been 5 years. I woke up one day and I just said, oh my gosh, I have to move. It's ingrained in me. I love new adventures, new journeys, and meeting new people, learning new things, and being able to go someplace else and share them.
Well, you're definitely going out with a big bang because you've done a lot for this community. I mean, I don't know hardly of anyone who doesn't know who you are or what you've done and how you've influenced my life and other people's lives here in the community. So your plans going forward, are you going to retire?
So no, I definitely will not retire. I will be moving to Arkansas, which I don't think you knew. You thought I was going to Texas,
yes,
didn't you?
Yes, I did. Arkansas.
Yep, going to a little town called Batesville, about an hour and a half out of Little Rock. 15,000 people with the 2020 census. Maybe might move up to 16,000 people.
Wow.
It's very small, but it's a great community. My granddaughter went to college there, and so I went and visited it, and I absolutely love the area. Very close to a town. It's in another county. Batesville's in Independence County, but it's in the next county. It's the #1 poverty-stricken area in the nation. And my mind is thinking, why? Why are they so poor? What's going on? Why are these people living in poverty? So I think I'm already kind of thinking about what I might be doing when I move.
But there's no position or anything you're going to?
Never has been. I always move on the blind.
Now, they've already accepted applications to fill your position. Tell me just briefly, how hard is it going to be to fill your shoes?
I don't believe in staying in, millennials have it right sometimes. I think staying in a job you can become very stagnant. New blood is what makes things roll and change, and as long as you hire the right people. I know that this has been a nationwide search. I have not been part of the search. But we do have our part of our board. We've got a hiring committee that's doing that. And I know they've been interviewing from all over, I think every state, and then local too. So they'll come up with somebody that will be able to more than fill my shoes. I think you've blown me up too much. My head's this big now, so
that's good. You can go away feeling really good today.
Thank you.
Well, we want to wish you the best of luck, and I hope you'll drop us a postcard or say hi on the internet sometime. And
how about just flying out and seeing me?
There you can. We have flights.
And I have a room, so come on out.
There you go. That sounds great. So, well, congratulations to you, and we will miss you dearly. So just want to wish you the best of luck, and thanks for sharing and letting us all know where you're going to be going.
Thanks, Melissa. I appreciate it.
And thank you for watching, and if you see this lady out and about, give her a big congrats and a big hug, because she deserves it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.